Hi guys, and welcome back. In my previous video, we learned about what an eCard is and how to apply for it. This time, we are going to be going over how to use your library eCard. Once you have your eCard, you are ready to use the library's electronic resources. This includes free access to ebooks, audiobooks, magazines, movies, and research databases that you can use for your homework or school projects. Again, remember you will need your eCard or library card number and PIN to begin using these digital resources. So now let's head to the library website and see what we can use with our new eCard and how to find it. First of all, if we head over to Catalog and then down to Library Apps, we have Libby, Overdrive, and the SEO Libraries app. The SEO Libraries app lets you manage your library card. It is most useful for physical library materials, but you can also use it to search for ebooks and audiobooks available from the Ohio Digital Library. The SEO Libraries app is available in the Google Play Store or the App Store. Next, we have Libby and Overdrive, which are the library's ebook and audiobook apps, but they also give us access to magazines and movies, all from the Ohio Digital Library. The only difference between Overdrive and Libby is the apps themselves and the devices you can use them on. They give you access to the same materials from the Ohio Digital Library. Libby is available from the Google Play Store, App Store, and Windows Store, but it is not available on Amazon Kindles. While Overdrive is available from the App Store, Google Play Store, Windows Store, and it is available on Amazon Kindles. I find Libby to be easier to use than Overdrive, but you can check them both out for yourself by downloading them to your device of your choosing and logging in with your library card or eCard number and PIN. Next, we have research databases. So we are going to come back up to the top of this page, and then we are going to go to Find Information and then down to Premium Research Databases. Here we have a ton of online research databases, many of which will be useful for homework and research for school projects. So as you can see, we have a lot to choose from here, and all we need to do to use a resource is find one that we want to use or need for our particular purpose. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom until I find World Book Timelines. So let's say I want to use World Book Timelines for a school project. All I need to do is click Use this resource, and then it's going to take me to this page where now I will need to enter my library card number, which I'm going to do really quick, and then I'm going to click Submit. Some databases will prompt you to enter your PIN, others won't. This one did not. So all I had to do was enter my library card number, and now here we are, and I am ready to start researching. Another way to access online research databases offered to us with our library cards is to go to the Ohio Web Library website at ohioweblibrary.org. The Ohio Web Library resources are free to use for anyone in Ohio with a library or eCard from an Ohio public library. Again, as we can see, there are a lot of research databases to choose from, and they cover a bunch of different topics, including English, science, and general reference and encyclopedias. So let's say we need information for an English assignment and we want to use the Literary Reference Center. All we need to do is click on the link. Typically, we would also need to enter our library or eCard number, but because I just did, it recognizes me, and we are in. And that is all there is to it. Here, I have included a list of research databases that you have access to with your eCard that will be helpful as we head back to school. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you have any questions, stop by the library or give us a call for more help.